In the latest update of SeedProd, we've got a ton of improvements and tweaks rolling out, and there are 4 new features with SeedProd paid plans that we think you'll want to hear about. Probably the most important new feature for this update is that you can now add animated headlines to your landing pages. The new animated headline block makes it even easier to create attractive headlines that help keep your visitors interested and engaged. By including dynamic, rotating, and highlighted animated headlines, you can instantly bring your landing page to life. Next is a popular request that allows you to showcase your products and services in the best possible way. With our pricing tables block, you can design customizable pricing tables using a responsive drag and drop editor. Highlight your pricing plans in a flexible and stunning fashion with elements like features, discounts, and multiple call to action buttons. If you want to put your business on the map, now you can with our new Google Maps block for SeedProd. There's no coding necessary. Just drag and drop the Google Maps widget onto any landing page. From there, just type in your location to show it right on your landing page. You can even choose how far your map is zoomed in or out. We've also created a complete Facebook block pack to help you grow your social media presence. You can add the Facebook like button, the comments block, the page block, and the embed block. Last but not least, we've released a whole bunch of stunning new landing page templates you can use right away. You can easily customize every template in our drag and drop editor, resulting in eye-catching pages that convert. We hope you enjoy these updates as much as we did making them. Stay tuned for the next update, which will include even more ways to grow your business with SeedProd.